Here we are going to show how to fit Loxx fasteners, used across marine canopies, automotive covers, industrial canvas and even musical applications. They provide a secure vibration-resistant fastening system that won't release under load. Start by carefully marking your position. Accuracy is important here. Once the hole is cut, there's no moving it. We're using a 9mm hole punch, which is the correct size for Loxx fasteners and gives a clean, accurate fit. As a backing surface, we actually use a thick magazine underneath the material. Wooden blocks can sometimes be too hard, which can blunt the punch, or too soft, which can absorb the strike and give you an uneven cut. A dense magazine provides just enough resistance to allow a clean punch without damaging the tool or the material. Insert the Loxx button through the material from the front side. On reverse, fit the washer nut. Use the correct Loxx installation tool to tighten it down evenly. Firm and secure is all it's needed, no over tighten. Next we will install the lower stud into the mounting surface. Loxx offer more than one installation tool. This version is easier to hold and provides a better grip and leverage. If you're installing multiple studs, the improved ergonomics makes the job quicker and more controlled. Once fitted, the Loxx fastener locks securely into place. It won't release under tension, wind load or vibration. To release it, you simply lift directly from the top cap. That vertical release mechanism is what sets Loxx apart from the standard press studs. Loxx fasteners are available in both standard and XL configurations. Here we have an XL button, a standard button, an XL washer nut and a standard washer nut. You can clearly see the height differences. The XL combination provides approximately 1 to 2 mm of additional clamping thickness. Loxx fasteners are available in a range of finishes depending on your application. Stud options include a self-tapping screw stud, M5 machine threaded studs, 2-hole base plates for surface mounting. There is a 2-hole base version that can also act as a direct replacement for traditional turn button fasteners. Thank you for watching.